Hello guys, this is Jason from Dajiang Electronic. Today we are going to introduce our 3.5 and 2.5 PCB product for you. And this is the 2.5 and can be structure, 4-pole structure, and this is 3.5 and also can be structure, 4-pole. There can be different color and different length, different style, and as you can see, they can be used. Have these pins can directly to the PCB, and I'm going to show you the size for the exposed length. Here, normally it will be 11. And here for the 3.5 nm, it will be 14. But if you have other requests, we also can do OEM product for you. Just send us the drawing or tell us your idea. We can do the product for you. And thank you for your listening, and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.